However, like erosion-wise, you can alter how your land lays if the water gushes or flows out of your yard in a certain way. You can have different berms in order to slow that water down or direct it in a different pattern to stop erosion. I revert back to the big ag industry. There are what is called waterways, distinct areas in the field that typically are in lower outlying at the bottom of hills where the water will be taken away and it's very thick grass. And some farmers will actually go in and put different barriers, like dig a ditch and put several layers of straw bales in order to put like dams in that to slow the water coming off the field so we don't have 2 or 3 foot gullies that we don't see and the tractor falls in, and that's when damage happens, not only the tractor, but if you're not aware, you can be dislodged from the operational platform, and it could end fatally.
Great.
It's just facts.
It is facts.
Just facts and reality.